Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert an area chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below we just move on to the video. Now, how to create an area chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, select the data points that users need to create the area chart. Then you just need to click on this arrow section and just change this to the insert option and insert the chart option. Inside the chart option, scroll down and you will see an option called area. Click on this area and you can find different variety of areas here. So you look like a 3D. I just selected this. So you can just resize the chart and you can just place wherever you just need it. So just zoom out and just resize it. Then you will see an option called layout first, and here you can just change the layout which look like a grid. I just choose this which so 3D. And then you can just change the color theme also. So you can just choose this color theme if you just needed a single color theme or multiple color theme. And also then you will see an option called style. Click on those. Here you will see another different type like a transparent. You can see it look like a transparent style, and also you look like a 3D wall style. So there is a lot of styles which is so amazing, and here you can just choose the style of the chart. So this is how you just create the area chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.